Hey guys, it's Christine and my friend Anna, and we're here to share a little worship with y'all this morning. It is the last day of the month of Av, and yesterday, and yesterday I heard on YouTube this song about Abba Father, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's what this month has been all about, the love of the Father. And so Amen. Michael W. Smith singing this song.
Yes.
And
Legend.
I thought, let me post it on my page. This is a great way to wrap up the month. And then I felt like the Lord saying, no, wait, why don't you play it and sing it? And then my friend Anna was coming over this morning, and I said, why don't we both do it? So Anna is awesome. She is a former student of mine and just an awesome sister in the Lord.
Amen.
And so we get to hang out about once a week. And so this is how we're spending our time this morning. So without further ado, we're going to get into this song. It's called Deep in Love with You by Michael W. Smith. And it's really a response of being loved by our Abba Father. So I pray you guys just sit back and let this song just be the anthem of your heart as you meditate on the love of Abba Father.
That's a good word.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay. Sitting at your feet is where I want to be. I'm home when I am here with you. Ruined by your grace, enamored by your gaze. I can't resist the tenderness of you. I'm deep in love with you, Abba Father. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. My heart beats for you, precious Jesus. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. Humbled and amazed that you would call my name. I never had to search again. There's a deep desire that's burning like a fire to know you as my closest friend. I'm deep in love with you, Abba Father. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. My heart beats for you, precious Jesus. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. I'm deep in love with you, Abba Father. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. My heart beats for you, precious Jesus. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. My heart beats for you, precious Jesus. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. My heart beats for you, precious Jesus. I'm deep in love with you, Lord. Amen. I love it. Yeah. You guys enjoy. Your Abba Father loves you.
Yes. Happy day.